Hello, I'd like to address the issue of underage drinking. A lot of young people out there today are put in environments where they feel like they might want to experiment with the drug alcohol, regardless of what your place and lot in life is. It's something you need to consider, that there's a number of different violations of law that occur when you, as an individual under 21 years of age, decide to drink. Illegal possession occurs when you are in proximity and control. If you can reach out and touch an alcoholic beverage, you're in possession of it. If it's other than a home in the presence of your parent or legal guardian, it is a civil violation for which you can be fined. At the end of the day, if you're a juvenile, you're actually charged with a juvenile crime of possession. There's certain sanctions that go along with that as well. Illegal transportation occurs when you decide to transport alcohol. Outside of two exceptions, one of them being doing it within the scope of your employment, you can be charged with transporting alcohol if you have alcohol in a motor vehicle while you're the operator. One thing about transportation, in so much as it's a civil violation, there are mandatory license suspensions that go along with it, which definitely will impede your operation because of insurance rates. Your insurance rates upon conviction will double to triple in size. And another consideration that you might want is if you decide to provide safe passage for other people that are at that party, friends that need safe rides because they've been consuming, that point in the game, if they have any alcohol with them in their possession, get into your motor vehicle and you drive off, you're allowing possession by minor on a premise under your control. That is part of the furnishing statute, for which you can be criminally charged. In the event that there's serious bodily injury that results from that, you can be charged with a felony. Along with fines and jail times, another consideration, occupations. Somewheres down the road, you will have to apply for a job, and most often that application will include a box, have you been convicted of a crime? If you've been convicted of furnishing, you have to check the box. Worse yet, if there is serious bodily injury, somebody's either seriously hurt or killed, that is a felony case. Having a felony conviction can very much impede occupation. If you decide to get into the military or law enforcement, you're precluded from having firearms or possessing firearms, as well as a criminal history. If you're a hunter or a sportsman, it also precludes you from having a firearm for the purpose of going hunting. There's a lot of other considerations when you're making that decision as whether or not to drink, be it legal or illegally. There are ramifications of it. Drinking socially responsible as an adult, it's not a problem. Drinking in a high-risk venue as a young individual that's under 21 years of age, or for that matter, drinking to excess, entertains a host of issues that you want to consider. It could impact your future. It could impact the future of those that you're partying with. Always remember, you need to take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and make good choices. One of those choices may be not to drink until you become of age.